switch, huh?
I think they have a switch that turns them white.
You might look at they're all going in. Oh gosh, that is a lot. That is 100, you guys. Come on, there's 10 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. There's 10 rows.
That is cool.
Wow.
Look at that one flying over there.
What are you making?
Is it the lead drone?
Stripes look like an American flag.
Man, they can make them so lined up. That's amazing.
Oh, I've never seen anything like this.
cool.
This is so cool.
Well, who knew they could even do this? This is like, this reminds me of that film.
It's really awesome.
Close Encounters of a Third Kind.
Oh,
Yeah, that movie.
Oh my gosh, how are they moving so symmetrical? Is one person just doing it? Or?
Could be.
I don't know.
And there's just as many in each row. Look, it's perfect. It's a perfect
Oh,
rectangle.
symmetrical. Oh my gosh. This is
Unbelievable.
amazing. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's coming right at us. Oh,
They're coming over here. Woo! Watch out!
oh, look at that. Oh, this is unbelievable. Okay, there's a couple leaving.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. That was so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh, they shut the lights out and you can't see them then.
Oh,
Did
they
you see
just
that?
turned some lights off.
Yeah. Yeah, they're going on.
This is a regular ballet.
Oh my gosh.
Well, this is worth coming
Like at the
and waiting for.
4th of July.
Yeah, yeah.
With the fireworks show. Ooh.
All right.
Woohoo! I mean,
Cool.
oh my God.
That's amazing. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, that's
See, we tried to get into that building to be playing,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't want to miss this for anything.
Whoa.
Yeah. This is so cool.
Woohoo.
Oh, that's just unbelievable.
Now it's going to be a flower.
Now, Rose, something like this has got to cost a few nickels.
Yeah. I have no idea. I'd like to see what type of
100
drones those are.
drones.
Wow, look at that.
You know what? I bet it's just it's a computer program, and they just, I mean, they're just sitting around watching it like we are.
Yeah.
Probably computer programming drones or something.
Oh, it's making a cylinder. If you were due east of it,
I wonder what it would look like if you were on the other side. Like Martin could watch this from his house.
I bet he could. Oh, easily. Well,
But we're way closer. We're way better. Oh, pretty colors.
Oh, yeah.
Turquoise and a green.
That's cool.
Is that like Seahawks?
Yeah.
this is the wave of the future for outdoor shows. I've never seen one of these, and you're going to be seeing a lot more of them.
Well, they got to be during the night.
They're going to be cooler. Oh, well, somebody said as we were walking over the bridge,
Yeah.
oh, you can't beat fireworks, though. Well, sorry, buddy. Been done.
Wow.
Yeah, fireworks are all the same after 10 minutes. Can you hear them?
Yeah.
You can hear them. If you're
Barely.
the little buzzing, I can hear 'em.
Little whizzing of the propellers.
Yeah, I hear them a tiny bit.
Look at that. The pinks outside.
Wow.
Oh!
Wow. Ring.
Woohoo! Yeah, that's the
Oh,
best.
that's awesome.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Now you got
They
her.
cross each other. Not
Yes, they do. They cross perfectly.
They're not hitting.
They're not
Well,
hitting each other.
somebody's got a good program. Shoot. Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
I got it down now. I can do what you do. I can kind of follow along
Yeah.
in a straight line.
Yeah.
So now I'm worried I'm gonna bump into you if we ever do it together.
Yeah, when I got home from the track, I played my accordion.
Oh, you
I'm
did?
starting practicing it.
Well, that's good. I
Yep.
saw, I can't tell where. I saw an accordion something. I'm going to go look. I think it was at Sunny Farms. I didn't write it down with a pen.
Woo!
Wow.
Right to the horizon.
Cool. So a fountain,
Yeah, a fountain or a tree.
tree.
Wow.
Wow.
You know,
So cool.
those are really bright lights.
I know,
Yeah,
this is
it is.
amazing.
These are, I mean, these, you know, ours have lights, but you'd only see them more or less, right? If you were underneath, right?
Yeah,
Right, Michael? But
yeah.
can you imagine how powerful, I mean, the juice that has to be going through these drones to do this.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty.
Those colors are like on American flag.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty special.
Oh, they get it to rotate like a DNA molecule.
I don't know how they're
That
doing
is-
it.
That's just incredible.
Wow. That is amazing.
This
That's
is,
what they do.
this is totally amazing.
Good figure.
Out of the blue, that show. Oh my God! And then they get the outside ones going.
Right.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
This is really, really
Wow.
special.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Look at it turn on its side. Oh my God.
Now, they didn't say how long, did they, or
No, I
did
I
they?
didn't see anywhere how long.
Well, oh, I know they started late, but not too late. It wasn't that late. Maybe right at 7. Does that sound right?
Yeah, it's 7 or even a little after.
Whoa.
Oh, okay. Aliens have landed.
We're evading you. Oh, that's awesome. That reminds me of that movie, that Third Kind
Yeah,
movie.
yeah. Alien ship landing, right?
Yeah.
Encounters of a third kind.
Yeah, that's right.
Whoa.
Whoops.
I can't believe people really missed out. They didn't come see this.
Well, they're inside eating. That's what they're doing.
Sally.
Or anybody that just didn't come.
Friends. I mean, all the people that just didn't
You know what? A guy said I talked to him. He was standing outside with a big photo, a big long lens camera, and I said, "When's it going to start?" And he says, "I know it's late. It's supposed to be over the logging area." And I go, "Well, why is everybody here?" And he says, "Because this will be one of the best places to see it." And then I said, "Well, who are all these people that are right in front?" And he says, "Everybody just sort of piled out of the dinner and came here." That's what he said. Oh, there it is.
There goes one moving. Look at him. It's so funny how they move.
You just get these strays to move out.
Cool. Move out the center pollens. Or the center of a flower's pollen.
Oh, there we go.